I believe we're settled. Good morning, everyone. We don't have a public order, so this session and hearing is strictly scheduling and advisory. If anything needs to be developed or put on the record more specifically, we'll have a court reporter tomorrow. The court reporter that was coming down from Marietta wasn't able to make it today. I had a court reporter lined up to start court this morning, but when everything came together that it probably wasn't terribly feasible and that what we needed to have was a status and scheduling hearing, I did not see expending the taxpayers' funds for a court reporter. So we had someone, but it didn't seem to be a good use of money, and I don't tend to be careless with other people's money, particularly the taxpayers. So that was the decision made. We have accounted for jurors. Mr. Perdue is stepping into the courtroom. Would you mind giving everyone just an update on our situation with jurors?
The jurors have been contacted, and the ones that were here today, and they've been contacted by myself and other court personnel, and everyone has been told to be here at 8:30 in the morning, and we expect all of them.
Excellent. So that's done, and I called all of y'all into chambers, and we had a status conference, and it appears that we'll be able to get started with evidence in the morning at 9 o'clock. So the jurors will be here, you all will be here, and we'll get started. I'm aware that y'all may run into some different problems getting settled into your accommodations. You all have Mr. Sharon's phone number and can reach him. Y'all have my email address as well. Well, I'm having a little trouble with it. It'll come on my phone. So you all can get in touch with me too if there are troubles. We'll coordinate and work together to make it as seamless as possible with the awareness that we've just gone through a major event. I understand that there may be problems having witnesses enough to fill up our days entirely. I anticipate that we'll at least get through lunch and get into the afternoons until we get into full steam ahead motion. I find that acceptable. I just would ask that you do for me what you've done all along, which is give me heads up in advance to know so that I can manage jurors and all the other issues that I'm handling on my end of things, and I'll work with you all to do that as well. I don't believe there's any other business to be done for the day, but if there is, does the state have anything else?
We don't have anything else, Judge.
Is my recitation consistent with your recollection?
Absolutely.
For the defense, Mr. Philbrook?
Nothing further this time, Judge.
I'm glad all of y'all made it through what's been going on, and Mr. Plunkett, your family must be remarkable people to take y'all in without water. So all of y'all, it's been good to be in touch with y'all. It's been an interesting experience, and we are in recess until 9, and the press made it too. Look at y'all. Good to see y'all too. We're in recess until court 9 in the morning. Everyone have a good afternoon and evening.